Alright, imagine this. You're scrolling through your bank statement and you see a charge. Wait, what's that? You rack your brain, trying to remember if you actually signed up for yet another subscription. Sound familiar? We've all been there, right? But what if I told you there's a tool, a digital sidekick, that promises to wrestle your finances into shape, to hunt down those sneaky subscriptions, and to even negotiate your bills for you? You might have heard of it. Maybe you've even used it. But here's the question that's been buzzing around. What else do people call it? What's the other name for Rocket Money? Now, before we dive into that, let's understand why this question even matters. In today's world, where digital subscriptions are as common as coffee, managing your finances can feel like trying to catch smoke with your bare hands. It's overwhelming. We're bombarded with offers, free trials, and recurring charges that often slip through the cracks. And that's where services like Rocket Money come in. Think about it. We're living in an era of subscription overload. You've got your streaming services, your fitness apps, your software subscriptions, your online magazines, and the list goes on. Each one might seem small, a few dollars here and there, but they add up. They morph into a financial monster, silently draining your resources. It's like a leaky faucet. You don't notice the drip until the whole room is flooded. And it's not just subscriptions. We've got bills to contend with: internet, phone, cable, utilities. Negotiating these can be a nightmare. Who has the time to sit on hold for hours, arguing with customer service reps? And let's be honest, most of us don't even know if we're getting the best deal. That's where Rocket Money, or whatever you might call it, steps in. It promises to be your financial watchdog, your bill negotiating champion, and your subscription canceling wizard. It's designed to simplify your financial life, to give you clarity and control. But here's the thing, in the digital age, companies often rebrand, acquire other services, or simply use different names for marketing purposes. And that's why the question of another name arises. It's not just about curiosity, it's about understanding the full scope of what this tool offers. So, let's get down to brass tacks. What is the other name for Rocket Money? Well, here's the reveal. Rocket Money was formerly known as Truebill. Yes, Truebill. That's the other name you might be looking for. In 2022, Truebill rebranded to Rocket Money. This change wasn't just a cosmetic makeover, it was a strategic move to reflect the company's broader vision and expanded services. But why the change? What's the story behind it? Truebill was initially focused on helping users track and cancel unwanted subscriptions. It was a simple, yet powerful tool that resonated with people struggling to manage their recurring expenses. It gained popularity for its ability to identify those hidden subscriptions and make cancellation a breeze. However, the company's ambitions went beyond just subscription management. They wanted to offer a more comprehensive financial platform, a one-stop shop for all your financial needs. And that's where the rebrand to Rocket Money came in. The name Rocket Money was chosen to convey a sense of speed, efficiency, and empowerment. It's about taking control of your finances and propelling them forward. It's about launching your financial future into a better trajectory. The rebrand also coincided with the expansion of the company's services. Rocket Money now offers a wider range of features, including subscription tracking and cancellation. This remains a core feature, allowing users to identify and cancel unwanted subscriptions with ease. Bill negotiation. Rocket Money can negotiate your bills for you, potentially saving you money on your internet, phone, and other services. Budgeting tools. The platform provides tools to help you create and manage a budget, track your spending, and set financial goals. Net worth tracking. You can monitor your net worth over time, giving you a clear picture of your financial progress. Credit score monitoring. Rocket Money provides access to your credit score and alerts you to any changes. Smart savings. Users can set aside small amounts of money over time, building up their savings without feeling the pinch. So, the rebrand was not just about a name change, it was about a transformation. Rocket Money is now a more robust and comprehensive financial platform designed to help users achieve their financial goals. Now, let's talk about the practical implications of this. Why should you care about the name change and the expanded services? First, it's about awareness. If you're searching for Truebill, you might not find it. Knowing that it's now Rocket Money ensures you're looking in the right place. Second, it's about understanding the full potential of the platform. If you're only familiar with Truebill's subscription cancellation feature, you're missing out on a wealth of other tools that can help you manage your finances more effectively. Third, it's about making informed decisions. By understanding the full range of services offered by Rocket Money, you can decide whether it's the right tool for you. And let's be real, in today's economy, every dollar counts. Whether you're trying to save for a down payment, pay off debt, or simply make ends meet, managing your finances effectively is crucial. Rocket Money, or Truebill, is designed to simplify this process. It's about taking the stress out of managing your money and giving you the tools you need to succeed. It's about empowering you to take control of your financial future. And that's something we can all get behind. So, to recap, Rocket Money was formerly known as Truebill. The rebrand reflects the company's expanded services and its commitment to helping users achieve their financial goals. The platform offers a range of features, including subscription tracking, bill negotiation, budgeting tools, net worth tracking, and credit score monitoring. It's a comprehensive financial platform designed to simplify your financial life and give you clarity and control. And remember, in a world of endless subscription services and complicated billing, having a tool like Rocket Money can be a game changer. It's about reclaiming your financial freedom. It's about saying goodbye to those hidden subscriptions and hello to a more organized and stress-free financial life. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. It's about achieving your financial goals, whatever they may be. It's about understanding that money management does not need to be a constant burden. It's about knowing that there are tools out there, such as Rocket Money, that can help. And it is about understanding that the name change from Truebill to Rocket Money represents growth and an expanded service to better aid the user. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.